Welcome to this new TIA Connect tutorial. We will see how to perform a benchmark with TIA Connect. To start a benchmark, we must go to the benchmark page by clicking on the link in the Resources drop-down menu. Here we are on the TIA Connect benchmark dashboard. This is the cockpit that allows us to validate the performance and stability of the API. At a glance, you have all the telemetry here. Charts to monitor CPU load, memory consumption, and request latency. Key indicators: the number of requests per second and the number of operations performed per second. The goal here is to test the API's ability to send instructions to TIA Portal. The limits are mostly on the TIA Portal side, which can only receive one instruction at a time and does not work in parallel asynchronously. Your computer's technical specifications will also have a strong influence on these tests. Let's move on to the test configuration. I am configuring the test to simulate a load on 10 CPU. Block selection: here, I check the box to include all possible block types. With this slider, I adjust the complexity. For this demo, we are going to generate 50 tags per block. We will see how the API handles the transmissions and the queue to TIA Portal. The configuration is ready. Let's start the creation of a project containing 10 CPU, an FC block, an FB block, a DB block, and an OB block. The creation of 50 tags per CPU. I am starting the benchmark. Let's take a look at what has already been done. We can see that the API has indeed requested the creation of CPU containing all the blocks and tags specified during the test setup. Let's continue. I'm going to speed up this part. We will have the total time at the end of the test. The test was completed in 391 seconds in total, or just over 6 minutes, for a load of 10 CPU and 56 operations per CPU, including the creation of the CPU, 4 blocks, the tag table, and 50 tags. There were 560 operations in total for a performance of 699.4 milliseconds per operation. The available graphs allow us to compare each test with the previous ones. This test confirms that TIA Connect is capable of absorbing a heavy industrial generation load without compromising the integrity of the TIA Portal project. The benchmark is validated.